Right then guys, my new window mop has come, so I'll be able to wash the other side of my polytunnel. In fact, it looks that good, I might do it all again. So, as you have seen from the last video, I washed it with a Violator spin mop, but I found it was a bit heavy, with the water in the mop. So many strands of microfiber made it heavy. It cleaned it, but it was hard work. So I bought myself a window mop, a 3 meter long extension pole window mop. So let's get unpacked. So that's the mop head, the spare one. That's the mop. So you can use it like that, or you can use it with the extension handles. Let's get the extension handles on. Oh, that's clever. Just clips into place. Little button on there. Pulls off. Clips in. Very good. So again, you can use that without the long extension. Get the right way, Gary. They just screw on like that. I won't do them all because I'm not going to use it around here. Yeah, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 more to go into there, so it makes it about 3 meters long. So that's a good reach. So I get right up to the roof of my polytunnel, no problem at all. Also in this box, we get the squeegee head. Now that fixes to another handle, and also that'll slide under there. I'll probably not use this. I might use it on the windows at home, maybe. I don't want to take out the packet. That's slide under there. Actually, that's how it does it. Slacken that off there. Goes on like that. And tighten it back up again. And that'll go on an extension in place of the mop, so I can squeeze the water off the glass at home on my conservatory if I wanted to. And that's adjustable as well. That way, that way. Excellent. And also a hanger. So there's one of these. This one here. That goes onto there. This will be the top one. You can hang it up, or it's your handle to hold it. So yeah, that'll be much better, that. Right then, we'll go and get changed, and I'll see you around the allotment. Right guys, here we are, back at the allotment. Got my new window washer, what we just put together. Bucket of soapy water. Let's see if we can get this inside the tunnel clean using this. Right then, first impressions, much lighter than the mop I used the other week. Much easier to use. Oh yes, it glides over the polycarbonate, lovely. Dipping in the bucket. And get right down there and all, much better. Well, this is the thing to use. Yes, definitely. Definitely the thing to use this. This is just soapy water, this. So I did spray it all the other week with the Polytex Pro to kill the algae. Yes, much easier. Right, I'll get on with the rest of it, and I'll come back to you when I'm all finished. Right, that's it guys. Inside the tunnel, all washed. This is definitely a game changer, this one. Much lighter, flexible, and then it gets in all the grooves with the polycarbonate. Much better job, lovely. So I'll do the outside, and that's me tunnel all cleaned, ready for the spring.